Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infinity of Nashua. Today we have our 2017 Jaguar XE35T Premium. Oh, this thing is awesome. We also have our XF, which I've driven and reviewed before. But this car, this is a lot more fun. Same motor, but man, the lighter weight really makes this thing a pocket rocket. Like I said, all-wheel drive, supercharged V6, 8-speed torque converter auto. Put everything together and you get one sweet ride. 56,000 miles on it. Whoo-wee. Backup camera. Drive going to sport. Are driving it in dynamic. You have normal, eco, rain, ice, snow. Dynamics where it's at. You do have heated windshield, heated seats, heated steering wheel. What I love about Jags, I'm a Jaguar guy. I love these cars. They're tons of fun. I am a huge fan of the F-Type. And they just drive so well. And in this segment, I believe this is the only supercharged motor out there. Obviously, Charger, Hellcat, when new, stickered for probably around the same price as this car. The thing with this too is it sounds so good. Superchargers don't quiet the exhaust though. They don't interfere with the exhaust tone. If anything, they add to it. Because you get that little whine from the front and that roar from the back. It is awesome. Now it's time for manual mode. Nobody take the highway. No. I love the ZF8 speed. I love that transmission. Well, at least we get some traffic. Now we can see what this is like in traffic. Oh, I love these things. This isn't even the S. Obviously, Jaguar offered the S version of the XE. This is not your base level, but not top of the line either. Man, is it fun. You got nav, you got everything you would ever need. The one thing I wish this car had were the crackles of the F-Type. I understand it's not the S, but even if it was just in dynamic mode, it'd still be very, very welcome. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.